Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online classes by Little Scholars Public School. This is Shilpa Patil here. Today we are going to learn our Moral Science 5th chapter. Half a knowledge is dangerous. The story begins. There was a scholar who knew all Vedas and other holy scriptures, as we have learnt in the social Vedas, Rigveda, Samveda, Yajurveda, Atharva Veda, and with that he knew all the holy scriptures also. Holy scriptures like the Bible, Bhagavad Gita, Quran. Likewise, one day he was sitting under a tree with profound thought. He was thinking by himself only. A crane let its dropping fell on his head. He became so angry that he shot it on the spot, and the crane fell dead at his feet. Then he felt some remorse. He didn't like it all, so he went to a nearby house, as he was so thirsty. From a long time he was sitting under a tree, that is why he is feeling very thirsty. The lady of the house asked him to wait until she could clean the vessels. She was busy in her work, so the lady told him to ask him to wait for a time. In the meantime, she dutifully ministered to her husband's need and fed him. The household work was remained, so she was busy in that only. When she returned to the scholar with a jug of water, he she remembered that the man is waiting outside for the water, and she came out with a jug of water. He became angry that she had considered her husband more important than his thirst. He was little bit got angry on her that as he was very scholar, he was stood out of her house for one glass of water only, and without giving importance to a scholar, she was busy in doing the household work or for the duties which are her in her house. So she was busy in that only, that is why the scholar was angry. The lady castigated him for his anger, letting him go and learn dharma or the ethics from the meat seller. As we know, children, in dharma there are many principles are there, good principles, like we have to do the yoga for personal behavior, or the virtues such as non-violence, truthfulness, purify, law, justice, stages of life, patience, rituals, rites, passage, and worship of God. These kinds of values we learnt in the Dharma. But as he was a scholar and he know all the Vedas, but then also he was he was getting so much angry on her. That is why she was also little bit got angry and told him to learn Dharma from a meat seller. The scholar went to the marketplace and met him. After greeting him, the meat seller explained that he took over this profession from his parents. The meat seller was there and he was selling the meat. This profession he got from his parents, and traditionally he was a meat seller. They were also the traditionally meat seller, and he was also. He said, I live on what remains after serving my dependents and guests. He is saying who are living with him and who are dependent on him, he is giving all the things or remains to them first. I don't speak ill of anyone. If it is like that, I never be got angry. I only sell the meat of animals killed by others. I eat no flesh. Though he was a meat seller, but then also he was not habitual of eating flesh. A man cannot be good while pursuing a profession which can be internally bad for others is in general. A disciplined person is one who has conquered lust, anger, pride, and is truthful to himself. Since the secret of knowledge lies in truth, the essence of it is self control. All the things, if we are self control, these other things also will automatically come in us, and its fruits are renunciation. We will always get the fruit of the self control, that we get the love from others. I can't get away from my dharma. Dharma, what it teaches, that I knew very well. He added further, actually, no one can be completely non-violent. Killing, selling, eating meat is not hinsa, because as we know, plowing the land kills insect. As we have seen here, plowing the land, which can be kills insects, but there is no any choice to plowing the field. Frogs, fishes, and burning logs kills plants. Burning logs also kills the plants, and fruits which contain life. Fishes also, and fruits also, and the other animals also. In the world, fish, animals, birds, and insects are prey upon each other for their sustenance, said the meat seller. As we are also using the logs of woods for fire, plants also we are using for making paper and other things. Fruits also we are eating, and those who are non-veg eaters, they are also likes to eat the flesh. That is why the each animal in the world or in the natural world is prey upon each other. He said, being a meat seller, I fulfill my duty. Being a scholar, someone who is lacking control over himself and destroying values by ridiculing them, is unrealistic and disheartening. Isn't it, sir? Asked the meat seller. The scholar felt ashamed of this his deeds and went away with his head down in shame. Children, this was the story, and we can learn from this story that we never been like the scholar. If we are scholar, then also we have to be in limit and never been angry that half a knowledge is dangerous. Thank you for watching this video.